say make I go. You forgive me, love me.
Welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time on my channel, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a video. So today I'm going to show you on how to make Promix, a very effective avocado whitening cream. This is our base skineal carrot body milk. It's made with carrot extracts. This base cream is cool, so we are going to work with this base cream. We are going to add some other whitening serums to this mix. This is our caraway oil. Caraway oil helps to clean the skin. It helps to remove all skin blemishes. We are going to add piment serum. So piment serum is a celebrity when it comes to skin lightening. So we have other things. This is avocado oil we are going to work with. Avocado oil helps to give a skin a nice look, and this is a whitening. Sorry, this is a crude kenacol. This is a gluta magic. This serum is a good serum, is indeed a magic serum. That's gluta magic serum. These are avocado oil. This is propel glycol for deep penetration. These are labidjanaise oil. It's really good for the skin. So we are going to add this to our mix. So without taking much of your time, let's get started, guys. So we are going to pour some of the base cream into our mixing bowl. So we are using 500 ml of it, but this is not all. We just add like half of it. So we start to mix our oil. So before I forgot, this is we are going to add giga white powder. So first of all, we dissolve this giga white powder with any liquid solution we have around us. We set it aside. So when you are making your mix and you want to add powders to it, don't add the powder to it directly. You have to dissolve it and set it aside for it to properly dissolve before you think of adding it into your mix. So that is what we are doing now. These are glycerin. We are using 2 tablespoons of glycerin to dissolve this powder. We mix it properly. You mix it for a long time. Mix it to the extent you know that it has really been mixed, that you are satisfied that it's really mixed. So after that, you set it aside and continue with your mixture. So as you can see, we are still mixing it for us to get the good consistency of it. So let's set it aside and continue with our milk. Okay, guys, that is avocado. This is avocado oil. 2 tablespoons of avocado oil for the skin to look so glassy. You understand? That's why we had this avocado oil. And here we have our avocado oil, 1 tablespoon of it. Avocado oil is good when you want to make any avocado product. You had to use. These are beauty series. These are beauty series we are adding to it. We are going to add, we are adding 1 piment serum. So this piment is a celebrity when it comes to skin whitening. It's very active, and I also love the color. So this avocado oil, we add 2 tablespoons of our avocado oil. We had a tablespoon of skin-free milk. Skin-free milk is a strong whitening milk. It kills any skin issues. So this labidjanaise oil, 2 tablespoons. Can you see that? So this mix is active. Use it with a good body scrub. Here we have our gluta magic. It's really a magic serum. It's so active. 1 tablespoon of gluta magic. So we stir it properly. So this cream works perfectly. It whitens the skin. Just make sure you use a good exfoliation soap, or you exfoliate thrice a week to open your skin pores before you start using this cream, so it will help to penetrate very well into your skin. So we are still mixing it. Here is our giga white powder that we mixed and set aside. So we add it to our cream. We mix it very well. Try to use a whisk to mix your cream. Don't mind me that I didn't use a whisk. I'm just using a spoon, but I know how to mix it very well, that it will be as smooth as if I use a whisk or a stick blender. So it's also good to stick blend your cream. Okay, can you see how it looks? Yummy. So guys, like my video, share, subscribe to my channel. We are going to be having a lot of tips. So this is the remaining base cream we are adding it to it already. So after adding it, it's going to be more thicker. Subscribe to my channel. So, and if there is anything you want me to make, if there's any video that you want me to make, so kindly drop it on the comment section. We have products for all skin types, all skin issues. We treat all skin issues. I love this body cream so much. I've been selling it for some time now, and I'm having a good review. So I decided to drop for you guys. This is bao oil. Bao oil will help to kill any reaction, and it will prevent reaction from occurring. We are still stirring this for a longer time. If I'm to use stick blender within a triangle of an eye, it will have been blended properly. But I just decided to use the spoon, though I'm still going to get the same consistency. This cream is very active when you use it with our 3D whitening oil. It will give you an instant whitening. Our 3D whitening oil is so effective, so active. In fact, you can use this in the morning and use the 3D oil in the night. Can you see how it looks now? So as I was saying, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell. If you need any skincare products, they are all available. Promix, organic. Thanks for watching.